Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is role-based authorization using Jenkins. So let's start. Manage Jenkins. The first thing we must have plugin. I have already installed the plugin named role-based authorization strategy. You can see here role-based authorization strategy. It is already installed. Go to the available and search here. You will find the role-based authorization strategy plugin and you can install it. Let's go to manage Jenkins. Then the second configuration is go to configure global security, and in authorization make sure the role-based strategy is checked. Then save it. Then we have to manage users. Create user, provide the details, and create user. I am creating another one also. Create user. Here we have created Ram and Hari, two users. Let's go to manage Jenkins. Click on manage and assign roles. Choose manage roles. Here we have to provide global roles. I am providing here employee. Edit. I am providing permission as read and also provide permission as configure, create, delete and read. And the role to add, I am adding the role as developer and providing the pattern as dv dot star and edit. In the same way, tester and pattern will be test.star and edit. We have to provide permission to create, delete, manage domains, update, view, build, cancel, configure, create, delete, discover, move, read, workspace, delete, replay, update and tag. Apply and save it. Then we have to assign roles. Here I am adding Ram, then Hari. Both Ram and Hari are employees. Here adding Ram as item role, adding Hari, and let's Ram be a developer and Hari be a tester. Apply and save it. After completing the process, we have to restart the Jenkins. So let's restart it. Click on yes. We have to wait until it gets restarted. Now our Jenkins is restarted. Let's log in as admin. Here we can see there are 4 jobs. one is development of Java project, second one is development of Node.js project, third one is testing of Java project, and fourth one is testing of Node.js project. Let's check our roles are assigned right or not. Let's log out. Let's log in with RAM. We can see that Ram is a developer and he can only access the development jobs. Here the development of Java project and development of Node.js project. Ram can access only development jobs. Let's log out with Ram. Log in with Hari. Here we can see Hari is a tester, so he can only access testing jobs as testing of Java project and testing of Node.js project. We can log out, log in with admin. Here we can see all the projects are assigned according to the roles, as developer can access only development roles and tester can access only testing role. In the same way, we can provide different roles according to the jobs. In this way, we can create role based authorization in Jenkins.